The question says if the operation asterisk is defined for all numbers f and g by the equation f asterisk g equals f squared times g over 2, then what is the value of that expression? Well, we need to use this definition every time we see the operator asterisk between two numbers. We can perform this operation in order to find the result of this. So let's try with the inner parenthesis first. -1 asterisk -2 would be -1 square times -2 over 2. Okay, we simplify here, it's just 1. So here is 1. 1 times -1, this is -1. So now the original expression would be 3 asterisk -1. So again, we apply the definition. It's 3 squared times -1 over 2. This is -9 over 2. Option A.